Hello everyone, this is Wilson with the Budget Manager by ExcelPass. In this video I will show you how to export and import your data. There are two main reasons why you will need these functions. First, in case there is a new version of this application, so you won't have to enter all your data again in the new version. And second, just in case you need to create a report that you don't find in this application. If we go to the filter table, we can see all the data that will be exported, plus all the budget, categories and stores that you created. Let's go back and click on our button export. We have a message with the file name, which contains the date and the hour of the export. And we can find the file in the documents folder. We're going to open it to see what's inside. So we have two sheets, one with all the information about the categories, budgets, etc. and the other one with all the data. So you can do anything you want with all the information. However, it is very important to know that if you want to import this data, you cannot change the structure. You have to leave it just like it was exported. Same thing with the source information, with all the category names and stores. If you want to import it, please don't change the structure. Now we're going to close the old version of the application and we're going to open a new one. Now let's say that this is a new version of the Budget Manager. There is no data to show, so we're going to import the file that we just exported. We just need to click on import. There is a warning message that says that only the files created from the ExcelPass Budget Manager can be imported. So we click on OK, and also that all the data will be replaced. So we continue and we look for our file. That's it, all the information was imported successfully. We can see it right here. We just learned how to use these important functions, export and import. Thank you and see you soon.